Hey there guys, welcome back. Today's video will show you how to create and upload your first notebook to sell on Amazon KDP. Are you planning to sell notebooks on Amazon KDP? Well, this video is for you, so stay tuned. Okay, the very first thing you need to do is open any browser on any device or laptop or computer or Mac you have. Go to google.com and type in Amazon KDP. And then the very first result is pretty much it. This is you can click on this, or if you don't want to click on sponsor links, click on the proper one, which is the second option, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing, self-publishing, as you can see. And clicking on this will bring you to this page. And as you can see, it says self-publishing ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. So there are a lot of benefits of doing this. And as you can see, it says you can get to a market fast. It says publishing takes less than 5 minutes and your book appears on Kindle stores worldwide within 3 days, 72 hours. And then you can make more money because you can earn up to 70% on royalties on your sales on a lot of countries. That pretty much goes for the US, Canada, UK, Germany, India, and again, a lot of countries. You also have control over pretty much everything. You have control over your rights and you can set your own prices, which is pretty cool because sometimes on other websites you really can't, set your own prices. And self-publishing is free, so that's pretty good. So what you want to do is, if you have an Amazon account, sign in or click on sign up. And these two links are pretty much goes to the same page, which is this one. And you just put your email and then your password and you sign in to your Amazon account. Or if you don't have an Amazon account, you can click on this, create your KDP account, and it's going to bring you to this page. And it's pretty standard like registration process. Like it's going to ask for your name, email, password, yada, yada, yada. And it's going to need a confirmation from your email. So once that's done, once you've set up your Amazon KDP, so it's very straightforward. You just go to the dashboard and you could just like, if you have experience in drop shipping in Shopify, or Amazon, or any online store, it's very straightforward. And like what I said, it only takes 5 minutes, so it's more efficient. The KDP system is very it's streamlined properly, so you don't. It's straightforward. You don't need to do anything complicated. You don't need any technical knowledge. So that's pretty much a system of uploading and selling on KDP. Now you might be wondering, so how do you make notebooks to sell on KDP? So the first thing you need to do after setting all of these things up is go to Canva. So go to canva.com. And if you don't have an account, create one. It's very simple. It's very easy to do. It only takes like a minute. And go to canva.com and then on the search bar, type in notebooks, and it's going to bring you to this page. And as you can see, there's a lot of notebook templates here. You can use this one or this one. We could you could do this and maybe edit it a little bit because you don't really want to upload this notebook to your KDP account because, well, it's free. Nobody's going to buy it. People are like, yeah, that's from Canva. So yeah, these are notebooks that you want to do. And what you want to do is to be, if you have time and the energy and the effort and the creativity, what you want to do is create a blank notebook. So click on that. It's going to bring you to this page. And as you can see here, it says it's a blank white page that you could edit. So an easy way to do is to just maybe choose a notebook like this one, right? Oh, this one's premium. So you got to remember, like, the assets that have a crown and says pro when you hover your cursor is premium, so it's paid content. And if you want to do it, be my guest. Let's use this music notebook, right? And you could just edit the whole thing. You could edit the you could edit the you could edit the color, you could edit the font, right? You can color the font any which way you want to do. As you can see, uh, let's use a different color. Let's use this lime color, right? Music notebook. You could use different fonts. Uh, there you go. And then let's expand this a little bit. And let's, instead of up, let's put it on the bottom, right? Like so, right? And then you could add pages, right? So you could click add page, and now you could just click this one. So this is page 2. Page 1 is your cover. You could name it as your cover, and then page 2 is just notes, right? And then you could add more as you go on, depending on how many pages you want for this project, for this notebook, as you can see. And again, like this one, we could edit these pages the way you want it to look. So it's very straightforward. And after that, you just save this notebook. And then what you need to do is go back to your KDP dashboard, to your shop, and then upload it. It's very straightforward. It's very easy. It's not, you don't need technical knowledge or experience. So yeah, that's the video. Hope this video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.